It's that gratitude guy with the Monday morning minute. How many true friends do you have? I was visiting a close friend in the hospital last week, and I was impressed by how often he said that he appreciated our friendship and my support. But it got me thinking about how many true friends we really have in our life. One of the things I've noticed is that often the level of friendship isn't truly known until it is tested. Then you find out who your real friends are. Many times they were actually acquaintances and really not a true friend. Take a moment to express gratitude for the true friends that you have in your life. And maybe the most important thing to remember is that if you want to help yourself, help other people. I am sure grateful that I've been able to count on real, true friends in my life. Hopefully you have too. Lastly, make sure that you have a great relationship with the person you see brushing your teeth. In many cases, that'll be your most consistent supporter and friend that you can always, always, always count on. I'm that gratitude guy. Remember, be grateful and never quit.